back to the channel. It's your girl Millie Bucks. Today I got a hair review for you. Yes, red, sexy red, lady in red. But yeah, so my hair is all red, guys. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below so you guys can see more of your girl. And yeah, click the notification button, guys. So let's get into the video. Alright guys, so I purchased this hair off of Amazon. Yes, I did. The hair was $20. Yes, I know too. $20, guys. I couldn't believe it. This hair is $20. I was actually online looking for hair because I wanted to do a photo shoot, holiday Christmas photo shoot, which I did. So I'm going to put that on the screen so you guys can see what the pictures look like. Yeah, shout out to my hubby. Love you. Mwah, for the beautiful pictures. And yes, so I found this hair online on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link down below. It's RoyalStyle. It's Cosplay hair. It's 26 inches. It's wavy. This hair is so cute. I'm loving the color. I had red hair before. As you can see when you watch the end of my videos, you can see a picture where I have red hair in. But this hair, that hair was more of like a burgundy. This hair is like a fire red, like more like a superhero red. So I love it. Like I was like, ooh, I have to get this. And you know how your girl likes anime and I love all these, you know, I like to be wild and outlandish. So I was like, okay, you know what, for 20 bucks it can't hurt to pick it up and try it. So, and the style and the way how it was cut, I was like, I so have to try this. So it came, there was a little situation with the post office, just because where I live there was some situation with the post office, but actually the hair actually came 2 days before it was supposed to be sent, which is dope. Can't complain with that. So thank you Amazon for, you know, doing what you do and getting my hair to me on time. So shout out to them for that. And yeah, so I took it out the box. I was like, oh my god, this hair is cute. The package was dope. I got a wave cap with it. And for 20 bucks I couldn't even complain. I was like, okay, you know what, $20, shit, that's dope. Like for 20 bucks you get a 26-inch wig. Like, where are you getting that? You know what I mean? Unless, hey, there probably is a place where you guys can get that. But anyways, someone's trying to hit me up on my phone. But yeah, sorry guys. Yeah, so for 20 bucks I was like, okay, let me get this, let me pick this up, let me see what's popping. So yeah, liked it. It worked well with the shoot. It was exactly what I was looking for the shoot. It gave me the look that I wanted. I'm loving the cut, the bangs, like the way how they designed and cut and styled this hair. It's kind of like a anime Tokyo type look, which is dope. So I like how the cuts and how everything looked. The only thing that I did not like with the hair is that it really does shed a lot. But it does say on the description that it is Cosplay hair, so I couldn't even complain. And for $20, honestly, this comes in like a ball cap. Like you can just take it off, put it back, and whenever you need it, you can just bring it back. You know, like this is not a wig that you wear every day. This is more like one of the wigs that you just have in your wig collection to be like, ooh boo, okay, fuck, I feel like being fireball today. And then pick it up, pat, you fireball today, and then when you're done looking like fireball, you put her back and let her rest. This is that type of wig. So on a scale of 1 to 10 for the price, I am gonna rate this wig for the price. Honestly, I cannot complain. For the price, I would rate this wig, I would say like a 5.5, which is not bad. Cannot complain. It's serving me looks right now, but the only thing that kind of really throws me off is that if I go like this too hard, hair's coming out of my hand like heavy. You know what I mean? That's the only thing. But other than that, this hair is dope. It served its purpose and my shoot came out wonderful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit me up on my IG if you guys are not connected to me on Instagram. I don't know what y'all waiting on. Connect. You guys, hit me up on IG so you guys can join the fun and see more of your girl. Yes. And I also have a family channel as well, so check out BMK Posse if you guys want to see my family channel. But other than that, this hair is dope. I'm serving this. Like, I'm loving this. Like, this is cute. Like, guys, come on. It is cute. You know what I feel like? I feel like Charlie Baltimore. Well, this is like some old school shit, but I'm not even that old school. But anyways, this is like some Charlie Baltimore, Rihanna, like when Rihanna used to rock the fire red. Yes, like this is what life is giving me, like that fire red, you know? So I can't even complain. Like for the price, this is proper. Like this is some fire sexy red. Like I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining. It's giving me that diva look that I want. It is giving me that look. Oh, it is giving me that look. So I can't complain. I'm not gonna complain on you, boo. See how I'm talking to the hair with love? Like you gotta show compassion. I'm not gonna complain, baby. Oh no. I just wish you didn't shed so much. That's the only thing. Anyways, guys, hit me up. Love you guys. I miss you guys. Hope you guys have a great starting of the year 2019. Only blessings and greatness ahead for me and for you and your family. So let's get it poppin'. Yes, guys, and if you guys haven't seen my music video, you guys make sure you guys go and check out my music video. Follow me, guys. Yes, thank you guys for everybody that's been watching it. I am so blessed. I love my supporters. I really do. Thank you. And more to come, guys. This year is gonna be dope. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check you guys in the next video. Bye.